If you are currently experiencing symptoms of depression, don't lose hope. There are loads of resources out there that can help. Follow this guide to learn everything you need to know about depression, and how to help yourself or a loved one cope with it. If you're feeling overwhelmed by depression, you may have no choice but to give in. You may feel as if you have no one to turn to for help and support. After a long winter of hibernation, it's time to get out there and enjoy spring in full throttle. It's a season for celebration, optimism, and new beginnings, but buying into the hype can leave many people feeling burned out by the end of it. Here are a few ways to stay healthy during this season of rebirth. 1. Exercise. Exercise is one of the most important ways to relieve stress and create good moods. A little movement will make you feel better, while regular exercise provides cognitive benefits that smooth out harsh depressive thoughts. 2. Get support. Mental health problems can be isolating and overwhelming at times, especially when they're not treated. Reach out to close friends or family members who have been there before and ask them what they did that helped them cope with their own clinical depression or postpartum depression. Learn from their experiences as much as possible so that you can seek out support without judgment yourself. Depression is a serious illness, not to be taken lightly. However, the journey of recovery from depression can be aided by creating a life plan that helps focus on health and well-being. As a wife and mother, you know the importance of staying healthy during the depression. But how does one stay emotionally and physically healthy during this time? Remember that it is never too late to get help or seek counseling. Depression is a mental illness that can lead to feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and fatigue. It can also alter your ability to get dressed and talk to other people, if necessary. But these symptoms don't have to be a mind short-term problem. In fact, you can learn how to manage depression so you don't live with it anymore or so that it doesn't stop you from living life. If you're living with depression, then the good news is that there are many reasons for hope in your recovery. Learn how to overcome the challenge of depression. Learn about treatment options, such as medication and talk therapy. Explore the symptoms of depression, learn about underlying causes including family dynamics and personal history, and explore relationships between trauma and mental health issues including depression. The first step in overcoming depression is to learn how to identify it and deal with it. When someone is depressed, they may not talk about their feelings or exhibit it, but they always need our support.